Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. For all those people who are returning subscribers, thank you for joining in. And for those who are visiting me for the first time, please do subscribe. Well, I've been receiving again, I'm trying my best to answer the questions which I'm getting. बहुत से सवाल आते हैं रोज़, मैं एक एक करके जवाब देने की कोशिश करती हूँ. So one question which has been coming very frequently is, do I have to be there at the social media? So if I am competing for a beauty contest, do I have to be there on the social media? इसका जवाब है yes, very much yes. You have to be there on the social media for the simple reason कि जब आप एक finalist के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, एक pageant के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, so when people want to know more about you, they would want to check out your social medias, maybe their Instagram handle, your Facebook, your LinkedIn, your Twitter. And what exactly are they looking for? कि आप जो इंट्रोडक्शन में बोल रहे हैं, जो आपने अपने पेपर वर्क में अपने बारे में बताया है, इज़ इट रियली मैचिंग टू योर रियल लाइफ? अगर आप एक तरफ कहते हैं दैट यू आर अ पर्सन हु बिलीव्स अ लॉट इन एजुकेशन एंड ब्ला 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 ब्ला, और आपके इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल्स पे जाओ तो यूर 24/7 एट सम पार्टी ऑल सॉल्ड आउट. एक तरफ आप कहते हैं दैट यू वांट टू गिव समथिंग बैक टू द सोसाइटी, और आपकी एक भी पोस्ट नहीं है दैट यू आर समवेयर डूइंग समथिंग फॉर द सोसाइटी. एक तरफ आप कहते हैं डांसिंग इज़ माई पैशन, और दूसरी तरफ एक भी ऐसी पिक्चर नहीं जो कहीं भी दिखाती है दैट यू एवर डांस्ड इन योर लाइफ. सो देर इज़ नो कॉन्क्यूरेंसी. कॉन्क्यूरेंसी मीन्स मैचिंग. कहीं पर भी मैच नहीं कर रहा है. सो दैट मीन्स यू आर नॉट द रियल सेल्फ. जो आपने लिखा है वो सब फेक लिखा है. इट इज़ नॉट योर रियल सेल्फ. So it's very very important that because when you are on social media, people who have seen you as a finalist, they have their favorites, there are your fans, and also there are some sponsors who are sponsoring that pageant. And what do sponsor want? वो ये चाहता है कि जो भी finalist बने, that person and be working together should be a win-win situation. So he will look for somebody who can be his brand ambassador. He or she will look for somebody who can carry their product beautifully, who has social presence, who's an influencer, जिसको लोग फॉलो करते हैं, जो कि एक गुड ह्यूमन बीइंग है, जो कि एक जेन्युइन इंसान है, जो कि एक ट्रांसपेरेंट इंसान है. बट यहाँ पे आप सिर्फ खूबसूरत नज़र आ रहे हैं. बट बिसाइड्स दैट, इफ़ आई लुक एट यू एज अ पर्सन, आप जो वर्ड्स यूज़ कर रहे हैं, आप जो भी लिख रहे हैं वहाँ पे, जो कोड्स यूज़ कर रहे हैं, जो इमोजीज यूज़ कर रहे हैं, everything matters, because everything is coming straight from your heart, and what you're trying to tell people through those, it's like peeping into somebody's house. When you enter somebody's house, आप उनका डेकोर देख के उनकी थोड़ी पर्सनालिटी समझने लगते हैं कि बड़े एथनिक टाइप है, बड़े मॉडर्न टाइप हैं, and oh, she loves paintings, and I think she loves this. And so you get an idea when you meet somebody and you go to visit their house, you get an idea. It's an extension of their personality, that house. Similarly, your social media platforms are the extension of your personality. And looking at that, people would judge you, what kind of a person you are. So it's very important that you be genuine and you show your पॉजिटिव एनर्जी थ्रू सोशल मीडिया. ये नहीं कि स्टूपिड सी सेल्फी ले रहे हैं एंड देन यू आर सो ऑब्सेस्ड कि आप सेलिब्रिटीज़ के साथ सेल्फी ले रहे हैं. सो वेयर इज़ योर यूनिकनेस? यू आर जस्ट राइडिंग ऑन समबडी एल्सेस शोल्डर बाय शोइंग दैट मैं इस सेलिब्रिटी को जानती हूँ, मैं इसको जानती हूँ. नो, it is you. What have you done in life? What are you as a person? About your family, about how much time you spend with your family, what is your relationship with your family, what is your relationship with your friends, how do you look at your education system, how do you look at your teachers, how do you look at your university, and so your everything, what kind of an image you want to project through that social media, that's very very important. So and also when people troll you or people write something negative about you, how do you react? Do you go all out there to eat them up, or do you very very subtly explain whatever you're wanting to explain? or you very subtly accept it, take it as a feedback and say that okay, maybe this was something I didn't notice, I would improve on that. So how do you interact with people on that? Do you actually ever answer if somebody is asking you something, or it's just as like and finished? No. So you have to be very genuine, very transparent, and not just. And also remember, there are some professional platforms like LinkedIn and all, and there are some social platforms of your personal life like Instagram. So use it sensibly. You cannot be putting fun stuff on LinkedIn. It should be more on a professional side, about your work, about the kind of articles you write about your work, about the kind of videos you are sharing with people, or how you're inspiring people, or whatever is related to your work. On the other side, your Facebook, your Instagram is more about you as a person, as a personality, your personal life. And remember, all these social media handles have to be public, so anyone and everyone can see it. There's no point having a social media platform which is private. Then how do people judge you? And most of the time there is also a contest called the most popular person or something. So then people will vote for you if they get to know, yes, she's a genuine person, and we should vote for her. Then they start voting for you, and you get to be a winner. So remember, your fans, your sponsors, maybe your judges might run through your thing to get to know you better. The organization would want to go through, because they are looking for somebody who becomes a real good brand ambassador for their company, and it's a win-win situation. After all, they gain from you, you gain from them. And how can you market them? How can you be of any use to that organization? How can, there's so many factors. Many a times, when you go for a finale, you say, अरे इसमें तो कुछ भी नहीं था, ये कैसे जीत गई? It's because she looked at all those other factors which you didn't look into. You only looked at your beauty and stuff. So people out there are looking for people who are real. They're not looking for people who are fake. They're not looking for people full of ego, full of fakeness. So they are looking for somebody who's exactly what she's projecting herself out to be. So that's a great way to actually show people who you are. So that's why use your social media platforms very, very sensibly. And if you're not there, please be there on social media. And also, the name you put there, your social media handle name also has to be very genuine. You cannot have sexy beauty and these kind of words. No. Come up with words which actually describe you, or just put your real name out there. The kind of email IDs you have, the kind of words you use, or the kind of handle names you have also tell a lot about what kind of a person you are. So be very sensitive to which social media platform you're using, what name you have put up there, what kind of posts are you putting there, what kind of pictures are you putting there, what kind of reactions are you putting there, what kind of emojis you're putting there, what kind of words you're using, what kind of hashtags you're using. Be very sensible if you really, really want to stand out. So I hope this answers the question to most of the girls. Always remember that your social media platforms are the root on which your tree will grow and the branches will grow. So this is you as a person, and outgrows the different branches of your life: physical, mental, social, cultural, spiritual. And people will eventually look at how healthy the root is, and that's how this tree is growing into so many branches which are again healthy and is laden with fruits which people can pluck and eat. There's no point having a tree which has a root and then it goes taller and taller and taller and nobody can reach it, just like a dates tree. So the more humble you are, the tree is more laden with fruits for people to break and eat them. So just look at this analogy, think of that, and then prepare your social media platforms. Be out there as many social media handles as you can, so that people can actually see your genuine self, in so many different ways, professional and personal. I hope that answers your question. And once again, if you feel that I am giving you something of value, do subscribe and do ask your friends to subscribe. And if you feel this video can help someone, do share. I'll see you again with another question which has come to me, which I will reveal when I will answer that question. Till then, take care.